Spider! It's a fresh one. Oh, dude, he went for that big old guy. Good morning. It's August 31st. Me and fishing buddy Lee made the trek up to Berkeley, California to go out fishing on the California Dawn 2. The trip originally sold as a salmon fishing trip, but they got the quota for the year. So instead we're going out for rockfish. Looking forward to getting out there and making it happen. What's really cool is we're staying at the hotel. Hotel is literally directly across from the landing. So out over here is the landing where the boats take off from.
Alright, good morning gang, good morning, and welcome aboard the California Dawn 2. I am JP, I'm one of your crew members today. My son Mark is out there helping us today as well. Miss Tammy be cooking it up here in the galley for you. I see some of you guys enjoying the burritos ready this morning. Captain Mikey's running the boat here for us today. Grabbed a nice load of bait here. We're going to be headed down the San Mateo coastline. We'll be fishing rockfish, Lincod, halibut down that way. This is like what you have to do. We'll put all our rockfish in there. The larger rockfish, the big reds, Lincod, halibut, we'll put tags on those. So the numbers, when you guys signed in, if you don't remember those, they're right here. We'll remember that number. So if we got one of those things or we get one of those on board for you guys, just tell us that number and we'll box it for you. There should be 8 and 12s up there in the kitchen.
Alright guys, we'll look around, but in the meantime you guys can get your on the left side of the boat, you guys want to put 8 ounce weight, oh I'm sorry, 12 ounce weight, the bigger weight.
You hooked him.
I have. Okay, we'll try again. Bait him up and let him know.
There it is. There we go. There we go. God, what is that?
Olives?
That's a first for me.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, heck yeah. What do you think of that hook? Is that hook no good?
Oh, that'll work.
Bitchin', I like that fish. It looks
Looks like a calico, huh?
Oh, that or even like a white fish almost. You know what I'm saying? Obviously it has a big mouth. Yeah.
Johnny bass.
Hell yeah, very cool. Got one.
Nice.
Finally. I was trying everything, trying all the other stuff first. It wasn't working. So, those jigs and
the live bait, you know.
yeah.
The reverse dropper loop.
Yeah.
Always works.
Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a really nice one. Got a good one, dude.
Dawn.
This one's just a Joby. Got it. Oh, damn!
Got him!
Got a nice one!
That one's big.
Phew!
Oh, there's a good one right there.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Good bait there. Huh? That's really good bait there.
Good bait, huh?
Send it back down, dude.
He's really good bait there.
Got him.
I'm staying on the lighter one.
There it is.
Down slow, the heat on the wall.
Nice one. Very good, very good. Got him.
Another olive. Nice olive.
Yeah,
Nice olive.
super sweet, dude.
About a 4-pounder.
Super duper sweet. Oh yeah. Pitching, yeah, let me get a picture. There we go. There we go. Biter. Doubled up. Up. There you go. Ah. Right here, dude. Holy moly, come down. Damn. Hell yeah. It's like Forrest Gump. Captain Dan's like, is that all you got for me? Come on. There it is. On the giant Kaivo. On the giant Kaivo. Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On the giant Kaivo swim bait. Oh, it feels like a... Look at this bend, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I'm pulling up a rock from the bottom, dude. Look at that.
Nice. Big worm. Gaffer alert. Gaffer alert. Gaffer alert.
It's a good one, dude. Oh, it's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Yeah! Hell yeah! Got him! It's a beast.
on the huge swim bait, dude.
Look at all that shit he spit
Oh,
out.
I know, he did, man. What is that fish? Can I have a picture of you holding it,
Yeah.
dude? You see, real quick.
How much does that thing weigh, you think?
I got a scale in my bag.
Probably something around like teens. That's a Lincod.
Hell yeah, dude.
There you are.
Oh, yeah, I got him on the big bro. Bent on the front. You got a foul hook on him, so you really had a hard time reeling him in.
You got one in the butt?
Yeah, literally in the butt.
Yeah, I'm like, what in the fuck?
We caught a 6-foot superfin shark yesterday in the tail.
That's crazy. Oh, I got somebody else, that's why. Hang on over that side, I got somebody's line. Got him. All right, they're free. They need to reel up though. They're pretty far over here. This guy, he swallowed my hook and my weight, like on the way down, dude. It's crazy, huh? Look at this. I didn't even catch him on a hook.
How is that? How did
Dude,
that even happen?
it caught his lip.
How?
It wasn't even on my hook. Self one, it's a good one. Good enough that he has to bury it in his hip. Unless it's just a foul knife jig. Is this on the Kaivo?
Yeah.
Oh, the fat grub?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, the giant swim bait.
Oh yeah.
Oh, don't hop. That's a nice one. Ah, he still bit it. He still bit it. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm the
Hey, it doesn't matter. You got him on the Kaivo, dude.
Put it on the camera.
Got him on the Kaivo. Dude's on again. Dude's on again. Come this way a little bit. Just some room. Haha, it's a nice one. Dude, 2 on it. 2. Good job, dude. You got another one. Hell yeah.
There we go.
They're digging it, dude. That's it. Get it back in the wall. Here it comes. Got him again. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, I got him. Got him. Oh yeah. Got him. Doubled up. Ah, I think mine's off, guys. Yep, he's off.
Yak 'em.
Ah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Look at him. On the Kaivo. Heck yeah, heck yeah. No, I like it because you got the jig on there too. Let me get close to the jig here. Got him. Good job, good job. Very nice. Very cool, very cool. Go order some lunch. Freaking chow mein noodles even. Chow mein noodles, Chinese food. pizza, bowls, fries.
So she's in somebody else's kitchen.
Yeah, Tammy made me this amazing brat right here. It looks killer. She's over there working hard, making it happen for everybody.
We're fishing. They have no sense of humor.
Got him, got him. Don't give him a break. Oh, that's it. I gotta switch up to some live bait. This is it. My big. Oh, hell yeah. Go. Oh, dang it. Sweet. Doubled up.
Bait them up and let them go. Last pass here. Go get them, guys. Don't...
I need a gaff over here for Lincod.
Lincod! Gapper! Little one!
Yeah, he's pulling pretty hard for a little one.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Nice gaff of the gill. I like it. I like it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Out there. They're overstuffed with a fuck. Right for you, brother.